This is the best way to make money with marketing in 2025. I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know, and this might be the last time that I ever talk about this because things are changing so rapidly in the world of AI that very soon this might not be relevant. So let's just get into it. You don't want to miss this. Okay, what I'm about to tell you right now is worth tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm giving it away for free. So please do not be one of those people that watch all of my videos and never take action. This is your wake-up call. If you're somebody that wants to make money online, or if you've been trying to make money online but you've been struggling, then listen very carefully to what I'm about to tell you. So here's the big idea. Here's how you can actually go out and make money with marketing. First of all, you have to understand that there are 3 different ways to make money with marketing. You can either work as an employee where you get paid a salary, you can work as an independent contractor where you're paid by the hour or per project, or you can build a business and scale that business to eventually sell it. Out of these 3 options, the one that will generate the most wealth is the third one, building a business. But the problem is most people don't want to do that. They're scared of the risk, they're scared of starting a business, they're scared of being a business owner. And so they just take the first 2 options, which are usually much easier, but they don't pay as well. Now personally, I like to work as an independent contractor. That's exactly what I did when I started my journey. I got clients, and I worked as an independent contractor helping them with their Facebook ads. But I always knew that I didn't want a job. I didn't want to work for somebody else. I wanted to start my own business. I wanted to build something that I could eventually sell. And that's exactly what I did. Now I run a multi-million-dollar-a-year marketing agency, and I also have multiple offers and multiple streams of income that bring me a ton of money every single year. And the reason why I was able to do this is because I had a skill, and that skill was being able to run Facebook ads. And the thing that allowed me to scale past 6 figures and past 7 figures was learning how to run other people's ad accounts. This is something that most people don't understand. There's a difference between running your own ad account and running somebody else's ad account. When you're running your own ad account, you're kind of limited because you only have the amount of money that you have in your own account. When you're running somebody else's ad account, you're working with their budget. You're working with their money, and you have to make sure that you get results for them. Because if you don't get results, they're going to fire you and you're going to lose that client. When I first started getting clients, I used to charge $300 per day to manage their ad accounts. Now today, even though I don't even run ads anymore, I still have clients paying me tens of thousands of dollars per month just to manage their ad accounts. And the reason why I'm able to charge so much money for this is because I'm able to get them results. Now, if you're wondering how much money I've spent on Facebook ads, the answer is I don't know. I stopped tracking after I spent more than $1 million. Now, I know that I've spent close to $3 million on Facebook ads, and this doesn't include the clients that I ran ads for, which was probably another few $1,000,000. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, that's impossible. There's no way that you've spent that much money on Facebook ads, then let me break it down for you. Let's say that you spent $100 per day on Facebook ads. That would be $3,000 per month. And this is exactly how you can build a business. You can build a business around your marketing skills. And even though I'm talking specifically about Facebook ads in this video, you can apply this principle to any type of marketing. If you were good at SEO or search engine optimization, you can go out and get clients and help them rank higher on Google. If you're good at TikTok marketing, you can go out and get clients that will pay you to run their TikTok ads. Or, if you're good at email marketing, you can do the same exact thing. The opportunities are endless. But the question is, are you willing to take the risk? Are you willing to put in the effort? Are you willing to learn a new skill? Or are you just going to complain and say, "Oh, it's too hard. Oh, I don't know enough about it. I don't know enough about it." That's the excuse that most people use. I hear people all the time saying, "I don't know enough about it. I don't know enough about AI. I don't know enough about Facebook ads. I don't know enough about this or that." The truth is, you will never know enough unless you go out and learn it. And the best part about it is that all of this information is available for free online. You can go out and learn Facebook ads for free. You can learn TikTok marketing for free, SEO for free. It doesn't cost anything. The only thing that it costs is your time. It costs your effort. It costs your willingness to go out and take action. Now, here's the biggest secret that nobody tells you about AI. AI is not going to replace marketers. In fact, AI is going to make marketers more efficient. You see, when I first started running Facebook ads, I was running around 50 to 100 ad accounts. At the time, I didn't have AI to help me. I had to do everything manually. I had to set up the pixels. I had to create the audiences. I had to create the ad copy. I had to create the creatives. I had to create the landing pages. I had to do everything. But today, I still run around 50 to 100 ad accounts and I still don't have anyone helping me. I literally just use AI to do all of the work for me. I use Midjourney to create the creatives. I use ChatGPT to write the ad copy. I use various tools to help me create the audiences and create the landing pages. And so basically what this means is that I'm able to run way more ad accounts than I was able to run before. Before I was able to run 50 to 100 accounts. Today, I can easily run 200 to 500 ad accounts because AI does all the work for me. And so basically what this means is that there's an unlimited amount of ad accounts that I can run. There's an unlimited amount of clients that I can get because AI makes it so much easier. And so basically what this means is that I could go out and charge less money per client, or I could go out and charge more money per client. I could offer more services to them. I could give them better results because AI just makes it so much easier. And so basically what this means is that your skill as a marketer is not going to become irrelevant. In fact, it's only going to become more valuable because you'll be able to do things faster, you'll be able to do things cheaper, you'll be able to get better results. Now, of course, you're going to have to learn how to use AI, and you're going to have to learn how to integrate it into your marketing strategy. But the good news is that you don't have to worry about AI taking your job, because even though you might lose some of the low-level stuff, the high-level stuff, the high-level thinking, the high-level strategy, the high-level execution is something that AI cannot replace. In fact, AI is going to make it easier for you to get clients. It's going to make it easier for you to get more clients. It's going to make it easier for you to serve the clients that you already have. And it's going to make it easier for you to charge more money for your services. That's why I said at the beginning of this video that this might be the last time that I ever talk about this. Because things are changing so rapidly in the world of AI that very soon this might not be relevant. By the time that you're watching this video, there might be something new, something different, something better. So please do not wait. Do not procrastinate. Do not be scared. Go out and take action. Go out and learn a new skill. Go out and learn how to use AI to help you market, because the sooner that you do it, the sooner that you'll be able to get clients, the sooner you'll be able to make money. Now, before you go, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with marketing in 2025. We're going to look at 9 of the best ways that you can start making money today. It doesn't matter if you've never made a single penny online before. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step plan for how you can start making some serious cash. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you can join our community of over 1 million other internet entrepreneurs. Now, let's get back to making some money. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my video on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.